Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare potassium permanganate versus oxalic acid titration. We'll explore their distinct roles and properties in analytical chemistry. Understanding these differences is crucial for selecting the appropriate reagent for your specific experimental needs. Let's dive into the details of each compound and how they function in a titration setup. Potassium permanganate is a powerful oxidizing agent, readily accepting electrons. Its deep purple color allows it to act as its own indicator. A persistent pink hue signals the titration's endpoint. This eliminates the need for an additional indicator, streamlining the experimental procedure. However, it's not a primary standard, so its concentration must be accurately determined before use. Oxalic acid, on the other hand, is a reliable primary standard, meaning its purity and stability allow for precise concentration preparation. It functions as a reducing agent, donating electrons in reactions. When titrating with oxalic acid, especially with permanganate, gentle heating can significantly increase the reaction speed, ensuring a quicker and more efficient analysis. When deciding between these two, consider your analytical goal. If you need a strong oxidizer and a self-indicating system, permanganate is excellent, but remember to standardize it first. For a highly accurate primary standard reducing agent, oxalic acid is the preferred choice, often requiring heat. Both are invaluable tools in the lab. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.